How much YouTube paid me for 200,000 views? $200,000 views? Wow! What kind of video is that? Alright guys, so please keep on watching on how much I'm getting for a 200,000 views. Hi guys, welcome to Beauty Mag's channel. So this is quite a different content. So I'm giving you a revenue scheme here in my YouTube channel. It's been a while that I haven't done any tutorial for you guys. So this is just a very quick one. And this is just a snippets of my YouTube channel for the past months. So we'll talk about my revenue for the month of July. So how much am I getting for the month of July? And how much are my views? Okay, so let's go to content, all right? And let's talk about the views that I have here in my channel. So I have 211,000 views, you guys. That's a lot of views, right? I have a specific video that really did well on my channel, and that's my part 27 video, which was a hit. I think for 2 days, I think that video hit like 10,000, and then it's just skyrocketed after that. So for a week, I got like 80,000 views, I think. So that was really a hit for that month. And my impressions were really good. I got 2 million impressions, and it's a lot, you know. When you have ad impressions, it will have an impact on your channel. How much am I getting for the entirety of the month of July? To get a specific revenue on how much you're getting, before I would tackle that, please give this video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you'll be updated every time I make a new upload. So now let's dig into my video. Alright, so how much am I getting for a 211 views? Okay, so we'll go to ad type. Okay, and this is all the revenues that I got. Okay, so I have display ads, I have skippable ads, I have bumper ads, I have non-skip, and I have unknown ads. So how much am I getting for this? As a creator, there is a revenue sharing between YouTube and a creator. For YouTube, they will get 45% out of your YouTube ad revenue. The YouTube content creator can get 55%. So that's in totality 100%. So there is a revenue sharing between YouTube and the content creator. All right. So how much? This is the revenue I got. I got $1,987.48. This is how much the advertiser pays, okay, for the totality. So for the revenue sharing, the content creator gets 55%. All right, let's compute. Okay, $1,987.48 times 55. So my revenue comes down to $1,903.11. So that's my YouTube AdSense revenue, guys. Yes, that's correct. That's my YouTube AdSense revenue. I got this revenue because of one specific video, and I was so appreciative with that video, and until now it's still earning. The rest of the revenue, which is 45%, will be for YouTube. Okay, that's how much I earn for the month of July in my YouTube channel. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please like this video. I hope you like this kind of content, and please give this video a like. And so that's it for my video today. I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.